Okay, so we're getting ready to start the Holley Sniper conversion on Jake's 1967 Chevelle, outfitted with a 502 big block Chevy and a turbo 400 transmission. So he's getting the full EFI fuel system and EFI fuel injection on the engine. So let's get started. Very good.
Go ahead.
Jake sent you something cool. Okay. Okay, we got the Holley EFI fuel tank all assembled now with the sending unit and the internal pump. That's all in. Looks like we've got an option. This is what's always nice. You always want to strategize before you just start going to town on these things. Looks like we've already got a 3/8 hard line that we can already use. I'll probably redo the rubber line part where it goes into the tank, but I'll go ahead and tidy up these wires. We got our quick disconnects hooked up ready for the pump. This is what's going to get activated by the Sniper for the blue wire. We've got our ground. We've got our ground for the fuel pump, the fuel gauge sending unit, and of course up top is the signal where it goes back to the gas gauge. All that was measured out. We measured everything for Jake, so hopefully he'll have an accurate gauge now. So this part right here is it's a little time consuming, but it's just take your time on it. This is the tank from Holley. We'll have to put the coupler on it right here with the adapter for his gas cap. No big deal. Comes in through here. They give you the rubber adapter. So all of that's on. Jake, you got a nice looking tank here. We'll get our fingerprints off of it, but let's go ahead and let the car down. Jake's uncle that restored this car did an outstanding job, and I always tell Jake, hey, don't do anything else in that car unless you let me know. So it's a great car, very clean, well executed restoration, resto line on this car. So the Holley Sniper, as I mentioned before, he had a demon on here that was just, it acted cantankerous, and you know, Jake's in the Navy, and when he gets home, he likes to be able to go drive his car around, take the kids out for ice cream. He can get there, he can get to the ice cream shop pretty damn fast, I guarantee you. So, and his lovely wife, she may want to get out there and drive it, and she can be able to turn the key. So, Jake, here's your new Sniper. We haven't run any wires or any of the plumbing yet for the fuel system, but there it is. There she sits, and your intake, your air cleaner will fit over that, and nobody will know any different. So looking really good. What we're gonna get, probably remove the old pump right here, put the fuel pump block off plate on, and then route, like I said, utilize the factory 3/8 hard line, and then come up somewhere, probably come up where it looks like it's coming through like a carburetor. So phase one, Holley EFI Sniper install on Jake Forbes 67 Chevelle. Stay tuned.